Video from southern Ohio during one of the biggest winter storms we've seen in several years. This thing started out last night with snow around 7:15 Saturday, January 24th. It's now Sunday, January 25th, a little afternoon. We received roughly 7 inches of snow overnight. This has changed to sleet and freezing rain for the most part as of about 9:30 this morning. And we're putting some ice and sleet down. We've had about 1 inch of sleet and about 1/10 of an inch of ice so far. It looks like it's trying to transition back to snow here now as I speak. And hopefully that's the case, because we don't want too much ice even on top of the snow. We don't want to coat power lines and things like that. So we're looking okay right now. Roads are a mess. It's not advised to travel today, so probably not even tomorrow. Monday is going to be a little rough. Still getting things cleaned up on into tomorrow. And we're going to stick it out. We're going to see what happens. We're just going to ride the storm out. That's a song, isn't it? But anyway, I'm going to walk around here and get another look in some different areas. Alright, I'm back in our wood yard where we cut, split, stack firewood. We've already gone through a bunch. We may have to purchase some, but that'll be okay. Still putting down the sleet. Trying to mix with some snow now as we look back up in the woods. And I tell you, it's cold out here too, about 15 degrees. We're supposed to get up around 24, I guess, but we'll see. And we'll go from there. As you can see, that snow is, zoom in a little bit here. That snow's piled up on some of the wood there, about 7 inches. It's getting compacted down a little bit now by the sleet and ice. So we'll have that to contend with. We'll have a crust of ice on top of the snow. Here a little bit later this afternoon, we're going to get the snow blower out and try to clear the driveway. That'll be fun. Maybe we can get some video of that. I know some areas north of here, around Columbus area and stuff, are getting close to 1 foot of snow as of right now. And know a lot of people up that way, so I'll say hey to everybody in the Columbus area, as I'm now coming from southern Ohio. Let's get a look up there toward the top of the hill. Oh, sometimes we see deer up there. Okay, I'm looking down the driveway at the road. You can't tell where the driveway is. You can't really tell where the road is, but a snowplow just went through. And it's the first one I've seen today. It's after 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. Getting ready to go get some lunch, and after lunch I'm probably going to get the snowblower out, and maybe we'll film some of that, and then we'll get a look at what it looks like when we're done. If the camera will stay in focus, we'll be good. And right across the road is a large hill that's pretty close to 400 foot above the road, up there to the top of the hill. So we live in almost a cave down here. We got 400 foot hills all around us. Good stuff. Having fun here in southern Ohio with the snowstorm. It's still all sleet and kind of messy. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, out here recording a little bit. Since the last time I recorded here a little bit ago, we've added another almost 2 inches of snow. Probably can't see me very well in that lens, but anyway, I'll try to get in the picture a little bit. It's hard to run camera and do things otherwise at the same time, but anyway, yeah, we've added probably another 2 inches here in the last hour and a half or so. And now I'm gonna go get the snowblower out and start moving some of this stuff. We'll probably get another 2 to 4 inches before it quits. There will be a little break here for a little while, and then another band or 2 of snow will come through and give us another couple inches or so. So we're gonna be close to that 10-inch mark by the time it's all said and done. So we're about 8 or 9 inches now. So here we go.